We have here the unboxing of the Jazzy Carbon Ultra Lightweight. The Jazzy Carbon Ultra Lightweight Power Wheelchair. Okay, so to unbox this chair, it comes in a box like this. You just open this up here. Open this. Be careful, there's staples on these, not to cut your hand on these staples. There's a foam on the top we're going to take off. And the chair is in one piece in here. So what you can do to get the chair out, you can lay the box down like this on your house. Put your foot over here. Slide the chair out forward like this until it's all out of the box. So we're going to take the box and we're going to put the box over here aside. So that was pretty simple so far. Now this is the first time I've done one of these, so bear with me. So I'm assuming the plastic will come off. So this whole plastic will come off. We're going to put it back down for a second. There's a joystick box here, and there's probably a charger box here. So now we've got pretty much nothing left in there. So now we've got the chair on the ground. So I'm assuming this is the joystick. We're going to pull this out. Here's your mini little joystick, pretty neat. We're going to put that right there. There's your owner's manual inside the box. Yep, there's your owner's manual inside the joystick box. And here we have the charger right here in the box. We're going to keep this in the box right here. And now, folks, bear with me. I'm assuming we just lift it up. Oh, wow, that was pretty easy. So we just lift it up. And we have a few more. So if you're going to cut these, cut them from the bottom so you don't damage the arms. Take those off. There's some on the frame here. In here, I don't know what's in here. Something is in here heavy. Oh, that's your battery pack. So the battery pack is right here. So you can see your battery pack right there. We're going to put that there for a second. The foot plate. Just go and wrap it. The little joystick. You have a little spot right there, or you can go in either arm. Okay. The battery pack, I think, slides from the front, if I remember right, in this chair. So I'm assuming it slides in just like this. And we are in. And let's see if we have power now. And we have power. So folks, this is how you put the chair together. It was beeping a second ago. That's because when you go backward, it has a beep going backward. Okay, nothing going forward. So if you want to eliminate the beep going backward, you hold the top right button and the bottom left button together down at the same time. The top right button, the bottom left button, there's 4 buttons on it. Top right, bottom left, hold them down together like this. And now when you go back, you will not have that beeping. If you want that beeping, hold the 2 buttons on the right until you hit that beep. Now, when you go back, you'll have your beep again, okay? So this is how you put the chair together, how you put it together, how you take it out of the box. Of course, you would have to strap this under here like this. Make sure you don't get it caught when you fold the chair. But this is the Jazzy Carbon Ultralight Power Wheelchair, and right out of the box. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.